Namaste. Welcome again on my channel Hot Puree's Kitchen Living and Gardening. Friends, let me thank you all for giving me so much love and respect on my previous videos. Vegan gulab jamun, vegan dhokla, Thai takeaway tofu. Thank you so much. If you haven't checked those videos, please do check them. I will be giving the link in the description box below. So for today's recipe, today I will be preparing birthday cupcakes and birthday cake, vegan. So let us take a look on the ingredients to prepare the base of the cake and cupcakes.
To start with, let me add apple puree to the wet ingredients mix. Now combine it with dry ingredients, that is white bread flour, maida, cocoa powder, baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix well and pour in 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Thereafter, this cake batter goes into these greased cake tins, only half full. I am giving it a good tap to remove air bubbles. For cupcakes, the batter goes into these small balls. Having baked, for best result, icing step should be done once the cakes have cooled down enough. I will be covering this cake with the vegan buttercream frosting, which I have already prepared. Now cutting this into halves. This is the buttercream frosting which I have already prepared. If you want to know the recipe, please check out my previous video. Now I will add 2 skewers to support the cake tiers, inserting these into the cake. For external decorations, I will now work on the vegan fondant, keeping white as the base for these decorations. Greasing the pans makes the fondant a bit more pliable. If you would like to prepare vegan fondant at home, it can easily be done by using vegan marshmallows of the brand Marshmalls that you can buy from Amazon.in in India, and Dandy's brand. Sprinkling little bit of corn flour on the work surface to work with the fondant much easily. The fondant needs to be rolled and stretched according to the cake size. If you do not have the smooth fondant rolling pin, don't worry, you can use a smooth bottle to do that job. Easy! Perfectly smooth now. It's time to cover the cake with this fondant. Do this very gently, be careful. Lift it with the help of a rolling pin and cover the cake. Removing the extra fondant, and this fondant I will be using to color in green, purple, pink, these colors. Apply the shortening again so that the fondant is more pliable to work with, and after this I am going to color these two in green and purple with gel colors. For the best results, our fondant should not look, it should not have cracks in it. So smooth it out with the help of a rolling pin. And here, this is green gel food color. Just one drop of this gel color is enough to color our fondant. This is purple gel food color. My kiddo requested to make Winnie the Pooh themed cake, so here I am making the figurine of the piglet. Our Winnie the Pooh themed cake is almost done here. Piglet is ready, butterflies are ready, grass is ready, and I will be making another figurine which is of Eeyore, the donkey.